Looking for a simple, no-drill solution to mount a CB antenna on your 2007 or newer Rubicon Wrangler or JK series? This spare tire CB antenna mount kit fits perfectly behind your spare tire, using the existing bolts on the tire rack, no holes required. It's designed to keep installation hassle-free while maintaining your vehicle's rugged style. What sets this mount apart is its build quality. Crafted from polished 3003 alloy aluminum, it offers improved strength without adding unnecessary weight. The kit also includes insulated nylon spacer washers, ensuring a secure fit that won't damage your spare tire rack. Plus, the 38-inch by 24 threaded stud provides reliable support for your antenna setup. Included with the kit is an 18-foot CB coax cable featuring a detachable PL259 connector. This means you avoid drilling large holes, making the installation cleaner and preserving your vehicle's integrity. The cable's design also makes routing easier, giving you a neat and professional look once everything is installed. Customers appreciate the attention to detail and quality materials. One reviewer highlighted the thick aluminum mounting plate and the slim, low-profile antenna ring, which blends seamlessly without adding bulk. The cable's smaller FME connector also makes it easier to route through tight spaces, enhancing the overall installation experience. Shipping speed surprised many buyers, too. Although this antenna mount kit isn't Prime eligible, it often arrives the same day as other Prime orders thanks to USPS priority shipping. That means you get your hands on the product quickly without waiting days longer than your other purchases. If you're upgrading your Jeep's communication setup, this mount kit offers a reliable, durable, and easy-to-install solution. It fits perfectly, uses your existing hardware, and comes with everything needed for a clean, professional installation. No drilling, no guesswork, just a straightforward upgrade. Worth a look if you want to avoid complicated installations or risking damage to your Jeep's spare tire rack. The combination of strong materials, thoughtful design, and included cable makes this kit a solid choice for any Rubicon Wrangler or JK owner. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your CB antenna setup with confidence. This mount kit delivers what you need for a smooth install and lasting performance, letting you focus on the road ahead without worrying about your gear.